Hello my lovely subscribers and followers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be looking at messages from your guardian angels. So guardian angels, who do we have coming through? Who do we have? Oh, that one apparently. We have telepathy of Terra Mater for you. That's very strange energy. Okay, and what message do you have for us? Use these oracle cards, I think. Start anew, begin again. Move those out of the way. Start anew, begin again. We've just had we've had the new moon. We're coming to, which was very, very heavy energy. We're getting to the full moon. The new moon's energy was about finishing things off, where this full moon is going to be a bit more about starting again with the cycle. Now I can see all of the moon. Again, all of its face is a light. So we are going to be enlightened a bit more about what's going on, about what's going to happen to us, and how to do what is best for us. So with this energy going on, it really is a very good time for us to start again once we've cleared up everything that we had outstanding after the last new moon. So I'd quite like some cards, that's all right. Shuffling away here, gibbering on, moons. Okay, so what else do we need to know for our highest good? Yeah, apparently I've gibbered on and told you everything, so they're not quite sure what they're going to tell now. These ones won't go, okay, I've got a wedge of them that just won't go back in now. So I'll pick the top ones and see how it goes from there. So we have the moon. You can't make this stuff up, can you? And the King of Cups. Now he is a man. Oh, we have two kings. Have the King of Cups and the King of Wands. And this has been happening quite a lot lately. The King of Wands and the King of Cups together, but not next to each other. They've been coming up in the same readings, but not next to each other. And if you look, they're facing each other. This is conflict between these two. This is where the real conflict is going to lie, is between these two. They really don't like each other, do they? The look of disdain between the two of them. Wow. Okay. And what else do we have here? These are all over the place, like balloon. So yes, the King of Cups is generally the king of, love, but the King of Wands is the king of emotions. Now, the King of Cups, for me, I haven't quite worked him out yet. He's quite a bit of a mystery to me when he comes up. So yeah, it's someone that's difficult to work out in love for me. Do they just, yeah. Where the King of Wands is much more of he's not that emotional, but he is very forthright. He knows his own mind. He stands up for what's right and does what's right. But yes, I'll pull some more cards on the King of Cups in a minute. I have to, because I don't have him figured out. So in the centre we have the Knight of Cups. Now he is most people's knight in shining armour. An energy of movement, things moving forward, things not staying the same. We also have the Hierophant. He is the sign of learning. The Three of Wands. Ooh, had Three of Wands yesterday, didn't we? The Three of Wands, yeah, we were saying about watching things flower in the desert. And the Empress is knowledge and wisdom and spiritually enlightened. I'm being told to be careful of the left-hand side. Okay, so that is the Page of Wands. He was generally, with my readings, he's legal messages coming in, so be very careful of the legal stuff that's coming in. Watch yourself for scams and cons, I'm being told. The 90-90 rule, be careful, because people will repeat things that they've been told. They won't go and do their own research, and then they just end up being the Emperor's subjects. None of them have the guts to tell the Emperor that he's naked. So, so yes, be careful of that energy. And the Four of Pentacles is keeping money to yourself, hoarding it, keeping it all to you. Be careful of doing that because you're not making it grow. If it's kept in your pocket, it's not going to grow. If you put it into something, it can make more money. So be careful of not how you invest your money, just where you put your money. Put it in your pocket, you can be pickpocketed. You know, if it's in the bank, it has a chance to grow other money. So yes, be aware of where your money's going. Because yes, if you're spending it and it's going in food, it's going in your belly. If it stays in your pocket and someone steals it, it goes on them, doesn't it? So, the Hierophant is saying as well, learn from your mistakes. Yeah, he's also a card of tradition and of marriage and of doing things traditionally. So sometimes you really want to get away from those old habits of doing things the same old, and do things a bit differently. I'm going to pull some more cards on this King of Cups. We have the Queen of Swords. Now the Queen of Swords is my card of cut the crap. Okay, cut the crap. Needing to be honest. So this is someone who needs to be honest. I have a feeling this is some deceptive energy coming in, and that's why he's right next to the moon, and why he's got his back to the moon, in fact, because he doesn't want to give up what he is hiding. He's hiding lots of things, this King of Cups. He's hiding lots of things from you. He doesn't want to do his shadow work, because that's what the moon's about. The moon is about things being hidden, deceptions. So yes, he's trying to keep all his deceptions behind him. Ooh, that's interesting. But we have the Death card. And we've been having the Death card a lot, haven't we, lately? This is the end of a cycle, something beginning again. Yeah, if you look in the centre of the Death card, the woman's actually turned herself into an egg. Her and her two children. Is that the one that has two children? Another look, just to check I'm right. Yes, her and her two children. She has turned into an egg to start again. Also, we have the snake, and that's where the Ouroboros comes from, the cycle of the snake eating its own tail, going round and round and round and round and round. So it's the end of something and the start of something else. So I really do feel like this is the end of your energy with this King of Cups person. This deceptive energy is going, and this could well be you, actually, the King of Wands. Is you're going to see this emotional disdain inside you, that you are going to stand up for what's right, and you aren't going to put up with any more, cut the crap, you the Queen of Swords, you aren't going to put up with any more of this rubbish. Wow, that was some serious energy that just came channeling through me. That was, to be honest, that was quite exhilarating. I thoroughly enjoyed that. So thank you very much, Guardian Angels. I really, really appreciate you being here. That was amazing. If you enjoyed this reading, please let me know in the comments below. I wish I could share this feeling with you as well, because it's wonderful. And I will see you tomorrow. When we will be using the fairy cards and the Disney villain cards to see what messages there are coming through for you. So, and I will see you tomorrow. Love, love, love.